Niverville is the kind of community where people wave to you when you're out walking the dogs, and kids still ride their bikes to the park. And this stunning walkout bungalow on the water's edge overlooking the golf course at 406 St. George Place could be your perfect next move. Low maintenance landscaping with an automated Hunter irrigation system and the kind of curb appeal that makes everyone feel welcome. Wide open space, huge windows, loads of warm natural light. When you have a view like this, you'll want to enjoy it from every seat in the house, even in midwinter with your feet up by the gas fire. Acres of counters for meal prep and plenty of cabinets in the kitchen keep things neat and tidy. Another nice touch, the laundry right off the gigantic garage, so the dirty boots and jackets never need to come inside. Having 3 main floor bedrooms means you're never too far away from the little ones through the night. Or if they're older, they can sleep downstairs and you can make this a home office. The primary has a walk-in and ensuite, of course. But how about that door out to the deck so you can enjoy your morning coffee with a view? The huge entertaining area in the lower level flows out to the covered patio in summer and offers another fireplace to keep things toasty warm in winter. Movie nights, games nights, whatever you're into, there's room here. For in-laws or overnight guests or maybe teenagers looking for their own space, there's a full bathroom across from the 2 spacious bedrooms, one of which even offers a walk-in closet. Comfort, all part of the package here. Spend a sunny summer afternoon bird watching or chasing those birdies on the golf course. The low-maintenance yard means you have more time for relaxation and fun. And when evening comes, gather with a cold beverage or two on the 12 by 31 foot deck and enjoy a prairie sunset. Happy days when you call 406 St. George Place home. Better call or click before somebody beats you to it.